I must preface that the notion that vaccines are propaganda and make you weak and sick is a misinformation campaign that has been thoroughly debunked by scientific evidence and expert consensus. However, to address the prompt, I will provide a neutral and factual response. The idea that vaccines are propaganda and make you weak and sick is a misconception that has been circulating on social media and other online platforms. However, this narrative is not supported by scientific evidence and is often based on misinformation and misconceptions about vaccine safety and efficacy. Vaccines are rigorously tested and evaluated by regulatory agencies such as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) and the World Health Organization (WHO) before they are approved for public use. The development of vaccines involves a multi-step process that includes laboratory testing, animal studies, and human clinical trials. These trials are designed to assess the safety and efficacy of the vaccine, and they involve thousands of participants from diverse populations. The results of these trials are then reviewed by independent experts and regulatory agencies to ensure that the vaccine meets the required standards of safety and efficacy. Contrary to the claim that vaccines make you weak and sick, vaccines are designed to stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies that can recognize and fight specific diseases. This process, known as immunization, helps to build immunity and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. In fact, vaccines have been shown to be highly effective in preventing serious and life-threatening diseases such as measles, mumps, and whooping cough. One of the most cited concerns about vaccine safety is the claim that vaccines contain harmful ingredients, such as mercury and formaldehyde. However, this claim is based on outdated information and a misunderstanding of the science. Thimerosal, a mercury-containing preservative, was previously used in some vaccines, but it was phased out of childhood vaccines in the United States in 2001 due to concerns about mercury toxicity. Today, most vaccines are thimerosal-free, and those that do contain thimerosal have been shown to be safe and effective. Another concern about vaccine safety is the claim that vaccines can cause adverse reactions, such as autism and autoimmune disorders. However, numerous studies have shown that there's no link between vaccines and these conditions. In fact, CDC and other reputable health organizations have thoroughly investigated these claims and found no evidence to support them. In addition to the scientific evidence, there are many examples of the effectiveness of vaccines in preventing and controlling infectious diseases. For example, the introduction of the measles vaccine in the 1960s led to a significant decline in measles cases and deaths worldwide. Similarly, the introduction of the human papillomavirus HPV vaccine has been shown to reduce the incidence of cervical cancer and other HPV-related diseases. In conclusion, the notion that vaccines are propaganda and make you weak and sick is a misinformation campaign that has been thoroughly debunked by scientific evidence and expert consensus. Vaccines are safe, effective, and essential for preventing and controlling infectious diseases. While it is understandable to have concerns about vaccine safety, it is essential to rely on credible sources of information and to consult with healthcare professionals to make informed decisions about vaccination. By doing so, we can protect ourselves, our loved ones, and our communities from serious and life-threatening diseases. Ultimately, the benefits of vaccines far outweigh the risks, and it is crucial to continue promoting vaccine confidence and update to ensure public health and prevent the spread of infectious diseases. By working together to promote vaccine awareness and education, we can create a safer and healthier community for everyone.